Hi, third graders. Today's response to reading goes with the story Back Home. Your job is to imagine that you are Ernestine from the story. You're going to write a letter to either your Uncle June and Aunt Beulah or to your cousin Jack, thanking them for your visit. In your letter, you need to recall something that you enjoyed or something that made your visit special. Also, be sure to include your feelings about wanting to visit them again. So again, for this letter, you need to also remember you are pretending to be Ernestine. So you're writing it from her point of view. Make sure in the body of the message that you write complete sentences with correct capital letters and punctuation. Up here, just like in other letters that we've done, you're going to type your address and today's date. You're going to tell who you're writing to, and then you're going to put your signature down here with a closing, either sincerely or yours truly or love, and then submit this back to your teacher when you're finished.